Hey, here's the video on the Hy5 bass that was requested by a friend. This is, the body is spalted, I think that's what it is, spalted pecan. It's definitely pecan. I think spalted is the right term. It's got some wormholes and some different coloration. It's got a walnut stringer that goes through the body. You can see it really well on the back. Walnut cavity cover. It is a passive bass, but people have sometimes modded their bird songs by adding, I think this is why they put the cavity cover there, in case you want to add a preamp or change your control sets. Some people do mod their bird songs. I've never modded mine because I don't think I'd be confident enough to do it. So I'm going to turn on my amp here. It has a really nice, really thick rosewood fingerboard on it. All right. So what am I going to play? So it's volume, tone. So it's kind of nice because you can just kind of, if you prefer a neck pickup sound, then you can just kind of dial in a little bit of that back pickup sound. So I'll start with just the neck pickup and the tone all the way up. Can turn the tone off about 50%. And then all the way off. And then I'll try the same with the bridge pickup. And that would sound a lot better with the tone down about halfway. And then I'm trying to think of tones that I've used in the band situation. I'll almost always have the neck pickup fully on, and then I'll just kind of dial in some of that back pickup sound, or just have them both on full. Both of them on full with the tone all the way up. I usually roll the tone off about in between 50 and 75%. And then because it's 31-inch scale, it sounds really nice up here. If you're a chord player. What else? I think what I'll do is change the strings to Diodario chromes, and then I will do the same things again, and then maybe have a blues tune on that I play along with, these basses sound really good in that kind of context. I've used Hy5s with in rock bands with round wounds, and in blues bands with the flat wounds. So with the round wounds, there's a real nice growl that you can get, and the low B. I've got this amp set flat, but if I crank the bass a little bit, just even a tad, and that's my, it's rattling the windowsills, but it goes on. The sustain is really amazing on this. It just keeps going. So next video will be with the chromes.